Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be working on my Garden of Shadows journal. If you haven't already seen the first video in this series, you might like to check that out on my channel. I've showed you how I made the basis of the cover for this journal. Okay, so I'm going to set the cover aside for now and explain to you what I'm going to do. So what I've got here are the Garden of Shadows teacup pockets. So these are journal pockets, but today I wanted to use these on the cover of my journal. You can find these in my Etsy store, so I'll pop a link for those down below, and they match the rest of the Garden of Shadows range. So the way these pockets work is that you cut out the teacup and then you just cut a slit around the top of the lip of the teacup here, and then there is a whole stack of ephemera and whatnot that comes with this kit that you can then slip inside these pockets in your journal. So I wanted to use them on the I wanted to use probably this one on the cover of my journal today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some black card and I'm going to actually mount the teacup onto this black card, because I want to not only be able to put things into the teacup pocket, but I want to be able to slip them behind as well. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, and I'll see what I come up with decorating the cover for this journal. Okay, so I'm really happy with how this is looking so far. Just to recap, I've used the Garden of Shadows teacup journal pockets to decorate the front cover. So the kit comes with 3 of these teacup pockets, and then there's a range of fussy cuts in the kit as well. So I've just used a select few of those to decorate the front cover of this journal. I've also used this book plaque that's in the add-on kit for the Garden of Shadows range. So yeah, I think this is looking quite good. It's all ready now for me to put some signatures into. So thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I decorated my Garden of Shadows journal cover. Don't forget to check the description down below where you can find links to my Etsy store, and you can find the Garden of Shadows journal kits range, as well as lots of other kits for your crafting projects. You might like to also come over to my Facebook group and join us. We have lots of crafting fun, and I give away a stack of freebies every month. And please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.